We did the things that we wanted to do in terms of showing in 1 week's time we could come back from the week before, but it was too little and not enough. We had opportunities. The second half, the first drive we drive down into their territory and then go backwards. The second time we had it down there the same way. We were in field goal range and went back. So there's no excuse for that. We couldn't stop them when we had to stop them to get the ball back. Give credit to them for that. I thought the first half was hard fought. It was well played. It was back and forth. It was nothing at halftime. And I really did think with the start of the third quarter with our drive that if we could have scored a touchdown right there, it might have put us in better stead. We turned the ball over and gave a cheap short field touchdown. We got one as well. But it's obvious, you got to be able to hang on to the football. And you say it till you're blue in the face, and out pops, 3 balls today? That obviously the final one we were down 10 and not much time, but still, it's not a very good way to end a football game.